This is Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas, Absolute Zero. Absolute Zero is their ice rink. They have ice shows, they have ice skating sessions where you can ice skate in that. This you have to enter in through Playmakers, which is a sports bar and arcade on the 6th floor on the rear of the ship. So as you walk in here, this is as a show's about to start. You can see the ice rink is more circular than in other ships. It does provide for a nice viewing angle of all of the performances, so there's no bad seat in this rink. It's a more circular stage than the ice rink, and it's larger for the ice performers. During the inaugural sailing of Icon of the Seas, there's 2 different ice shows performing at different times throughout the cruise. One is called Starburst Elemental Beauty, very impressive, very fun. And the other one is a kids-based one. It's Once Upon a Time, the King's Royal Ball. Both are very fun. The ice skating performances are fantastic. One thing that's also fun is they have public ice skating where the public, all guests on board, can go ice skate on this rink at no cost. This is a free included service. On a 7-day itinerary, they'll usually have 2 of your cruise days or your sea days available for ice skating a few hours in the middle of the day. You do need to make a reservation, so you go onto the app, reserve a spot. You need to make sure you wear long pants and bring long socks. That's going to be helpful for you. You are required to wear a helmet. Knee pads, elbow pads, wrist guards are available but not required if you want to use those as well. They are rental skates. If you're not used to ice skating, this might be a good opportunity to go try out ice skating and get a feel for skating around the rink. This was a lot of fun. Kids had a blast. You got to skate for probably 25 to 30 minutes and then come off, which was plenty of time to get a feel for skating around there. They do have both types of ice skates available, a figure skate and a hockey skate style, so you can choose which one you prefer. They also have walkers, so if a young kid can't skate as well, they can have these walkers they can push around the ice as well. There are no electronic devices allowed on the ice while you're skating, so you can't have your phone out, you can't have your GoPro recording your skating session, but you can have someone in the stands or in the seats recording you, no problem doing that. Make sure you try this activity. If you're excited to go ice skating on Icon of the Seas, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.